So I'm gonna close the door first. Hello everyone! Yes, you didn't see it wrong. This is a cooking video. For the people who know me already, you know that I love cooking and I really enjoy cooking for myself and for my loved ones. When I was in Taiwan, I didn't have that much chance to cook because it was so easy to get food and it was so cheap. But here in Switzerland, it's much better, much easier to cook for yourself. So today I'm gonna do a cooking video since tomorrow evening we're gonna have my mother-in-law coming over for dinner, and I was thinking I'm gonna start preparing so tomorrow I won't be rushing and to be stressed. The theme of tomorrow's dinner is going to be autumn because I saw the squashes and pumpkin was on sale in the supermarket, and I was like, yeah, maybe we should do something that's very festive or very autumn-like. One thing to mention that all of the recipe I'm doing today, it's all my very first time. I've never made any of them. So I don't know if it would turn out good. It's kind of like an experiment too. I hope you guys will enjoy it like I do. Today we're gonna do 3 courses, or you can say 3 dishes. The first thing will be pumpkin and sweet potato soup. That's going to be a very creamy soup, so we're gonna serve it with bread. And the second one is Ratatouille. I'm not sure if it's a correct pronunciation. I believe that's in German, but I'm not sure. It's in the movie Ratatouille, that dish that the rat was making. In Chinese Mandarin will be 料理鼠王里面的那个老鼠做的那道菜. The third one is going to be a pasta in a red sauce with minced meat. Wish me luck. Let's start it. Let's start it. Let's start it. Let's start it. So this is actually the one that I got. Today we're gonna cook it with the sweet potato because I've seen some recipe they're cooking with the potato, but personally I enjoy sweet potato more, so I'm just gonna be creative and cook it with sweet potato. They're almost the same size. The first thing, I'm gonna cut this in half and scoop out the seeds. We're gonna roast it in the oven for about 30 minutes.
You might be giving yourself credit for. You have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling.
So I totally forgot to film the final shots of the dishes until the next day. Basically what I did was to cook the pasta till it's half cooked and then throw them into the beefy red sauce to cook them through. And then it's ready to serve. For the squash soup, according to what they said, it was good, but I think it was a little bit too garlicky. So what I would do the next time is just to put 1 to 2 cloves of garlic instead of more. And it should be fine. But personally, I really did enjoy very garlicky squash soup. And for the ratatouille, I think everybody was happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed this autumn video, even though it's already spring. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!